Hey guys, what's up? It's time to do a speed test comparison between the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite versus the Vivo V19, and the Vivo V19 is powered by a Snapdragon 712 chipset with 8GB of RAM, while the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite comes with a Snapdragon 730G chipset with 8GB of RAM, and both phones give you a quad cameras on the back as you can see. So I am super excited to see how much a difference between a beast Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite versus the Vivo V19. So without any wasting time, let's get right into it. Now let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. Hello came up first, little bit faster on the Vivo V19, followed by the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite. And let's see who is going to be the fastest one. And you can see Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite, it is faster when it comes to booting up, while the Vivo V19 it is take a lot of time, and now it is also done little bit more time than the Samsung Galaxy A71, but still it is right behind to the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite, about 2 or 3 second difference there between these two devices. And as you can see that both phones give you a very big display and beautiful display as well. We have a full HD AMOLED display with a dual selfie cameras on the front, and you can see inside the punch hole, while the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite comes with a full HD AMOLED screen with a water drop notch on the center, and you can see it feels outdated, but I like curved display on the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite. And guys, everything is closed up in the background, and you can see no app is running in the background, and also same Wi-Fi network on both phones. So first application we have is the phone dialer on both phones, and that is exactly the same on both phones, no difference there. Settings, and again exactly the same on both phones. Amazon shopping on both phones, and you can see that the Vivo V19 it is just a tiny bit faster there, followed by the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite. Let's see the scrolling. Snapchat, and again little bit faster on the Vivo V19. Spotify, and again just a tiny bit faster on the Vivo V19. Now let's see some games application, and first on the list is the Candy Crush Saga. We have a Snapdragon 730G versus a Snapdragon 712, and you can see Vivo V19 it is just a tiny bit faster there. Again, you guys are the judge of the speed test. This Subway Surfer, and you can see that this time Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite it is faster there, followed by the Vivo V19. So last game application we have is the Temple Run 2, and you can see that Vivo V19 it is right behind to the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite, but as far as the system based application are concerned, it is faster on the Vivo V19. We have a faster animation compared to a smooth animation, which I really like on the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite. Now let's opening up the Twitter, and exactly the same on both phones. Zedge, and Vivo V19 it is faster there, but I have to say that at the end Mi Note 10 Lite it is faster there. The mic lock on both phones, and little bit faster again on the Vivo V19. The calendar on both phones, and you can see Vivo V19 it is again just a tiny bit faster there. And last I'm launching the cameras on both phones. Default camera app, and faster on the Vivo V19, followed by the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite. Let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using default Vivo internet browser on the Vivo V19 versus a Google Chrome on the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite. Wikipedia.org. You can see exactly the same on both phones, no difference there. Next on the list is the jsubmarina.com, launching at the same time, and you can see Vivo V19 it is super fast there, while the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite it is take a lot of time. And now the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite it is also done. Let's see the scrolling. In case it feels very smooth on both phones, no lag whatsoever. So now let's see the RAM management on both phones, and both phones give you a 8GB of RAM. So very interesting to see who is perform better in the RAM management. Phone dialer, no refresh. Settings, that is seems like refresh on the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite. Amazon shopping, Snapchat, Spotify. Let's see Candy Crush Saga, Subway Surfer, And you can see Mi Note on Lite, it is not performed good in my last speed test because I opened a lot of apps, but A71 performed really good. Let's see Temper N2. Let's see the Twitter, Zach, MyClock. Let's see the calendar. Last we're back to the internet browser where we left, and you can see that overall I have to say that the app's opening speed, it is definitely a little bit faster on the Vivo V19 in system based application, but in game app loading time, the Xiaomi Mi Note on Lite, it is definitely faster than the Vivo V19. RAM management, it is absolutely incredible on the new Vivo V19, but about 1 or 2 application refresh on the Xiaomi Mi Note on Lite. I hope the RAM management will fix with some software updates on the Xiaomi Mi Note on Lite. So thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Vivo V19 versus the Xiaomi Mi Note on Lite. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.